Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026. So this will give you a joystick so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You get a bar on the right side of the screen which is going to show you all the nearby Pokemon and lots of other cool features. So as you can see, we got the joystick right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So you can see we can change our character's speed, which is super cool. And then we're going to go down here and we can turn on the joystick, which allows us to walk around the Pokemon world from our house. So as you can see, we're walking around. So you can see I'm walking around. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website pokespoofing.net. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is the website where you can download it. So once you're there, we're going to go ahead and press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to download straight onto your device. So before it downloads, it will ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android. Press inject, and then the last step is the verification. So we just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so press verify now, and we're going to do the last step, which is the verification. And we literally just got to download like 2 of these apps. It's so easy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but I'm just going to download 2 of them. So I'll do Lumo VPN. So it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just wait for it to redirect me. So now I'm going to go back onto list apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the other one. So it's going to take me to the app store. So let's see. So I'm going to wait for these to download. All right. So the VPN's done. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right. So I'm just running this. Super simple. So let me just go ahead and do that. As you can see. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is the Travel Town. So this one's a game, so you just want to go ahead and run it. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. Sometimes on the game you have to reach a certain level, but it's pretty easy, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. Here we go. Alright, just running that right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So anyway, guys, once you're done, the Pokemon Go Spoofer should be downloaded onto your device. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool. So it actually works, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. So it's so cool, as you can see. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right. So just playing through it right here, as you can see. So anyway, guys, once you're done, the Pokemon Go Spoofer will download, so be sure to try us out. It's super cool. We got favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon. You can actually go ahead and teleport to these, which is so cool. So as you can see, I just teleported. So this is wild, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, get the word out because this is fully working. Another feature is enhanced throw. So this is going to give you a 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is pretty cool. So see you later.